Oh, another one next cast. Oh my God, this is the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life. Oh my God, look at this tank. What's up, everyone? Doing a little bit of fall fishing this morning. It's absolutely beautiful. Colors in the trees, water is super still. A little bit later than I was expecting, so I'm gonna toss a few off the dock here, see if I can get something started right away before I get the kayak in the water. But yeah, like I said, it's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect weather, super still out. It's like glass out there. Might be hitting Topwater today, we'll see. But yeah, let's do some fishing. Oh my gosh, it's solid mud. Ugh. Okay, I switched to a yellow belly frog, like a more natural colored frog. I don't know if it's gonna work. I just figured there's no sun out right now, so they're not gonna be blinded and see the silhouette. They're more gonna see the color of it. At least, you know, I could be completely wrong, but like in my head, that's how it would work. Okay, so I'm actually probably gonna switch back to the black frog just because I realized how dirty this water is. Oh, that was a huge splash. I don't think I have it set very well though. Like I had one hand on my rod and reel. Oh my gosh. Get in here, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life. Oh my God. Of course I don't have my scale on me. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Get the frog out of its mouth. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I can't even believe it. I know the camera doesn't even do it justice. Oh, I gotta turn this so you can see the belly on this thing. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, look at the belly. Holy shit, it looks like it just swallowed a hog. This is a football. Oh my God, let's get her some oxygen, get her back in the water a little bit. Look at this tank. Look at the mouth on this thing. Look at that. Absolutely giant. I can almost stick my hand, my entire fist in this thing's mouth. That is a massive fish. Oh, this could be a 6-pound bass. Look at the belly on that thing. Oh my God, I gotta get a good picture of this and get her back in the water. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, dude. All right, let's get you back in the water, big boy. Oh my God, this is an absolute tank of a fish. There you go, little guy. Oh, I can't believe I caught that. Like I had one hand on my rod when I went to set that thing, and that just made my whole morning. Oh my gosh, that thing was a tank. I said I was gonna switch up back to the black frog, but I don't think I'm going to anymore. That was insane. Oh man, that was insane. just a massive splash too. Like that thing came. Another one next cast. Oh, you're kidding me. Got on something. Got on a lily pad or something. Come on. I'm still gonna have it on here. Oh, it's still on there. Little guy just caught in the lily pad. There we go. Wow, little tiny guy. Yeah, 1 pounder. Literally the next cast though. Like I barely even moved the frog. 2 in a row, wow. So far it's been a good morning. I only caught 2, but still been a good morning so far. Whew, fun. Oh man, that was insane. 2 in a row. Nothing better than following up a hog with another fish. Next cast. It'd be crazy if I hit another one right here. Actually in the same spot I caught the other one, so I don't think I will, but. There's a big splash. Ooh, it's a runner. Nice, another nice guy. Look at this, not as big as the first one. I don't think I'll catch another one that big, but I'll turn this way out of the light a little bit so you can see a little better. I'd say it's about a 2.5-er. Not a bad fish. Can't complain. Let's get her back in the water. All right, let's get her back in here. Oh, that one just kind of sucked it down. Ooh, look at that. Just jumped right out of the water there. Another freaking hog. Oh my God, get up here. Get up here. Oh my gosh. What a morning of fishing so far. Look at that tank. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Nothing like some awesome fall fishing. Look at that. Absolute beauty. I just kind of threw it out in the open over here. Look at this. Look at the belly on this guy. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. Oh my gosh, what a great day of fishing so far. Again, don't have my scale, but I'd say it's a 3.5-er for sure with that belly. Size of a 3 with that belly, 3.5. Pushing 4, but I'm not gonna say it. Let's let you back in the water there. What a fun morning of fishing so far. All right, had to deal with a couple work calls. Let them know I'm on lake fishing. Now we're getting right back at it. Oh my God. What a freaking day of fishing. Oh my God. Monster. Oh, oh, we are catching some fatties today. This is some exciting freaking fishing. Look at that tank. Oh, another fat belly too. Oh my gosh. 4-pounder right there. Easy. Can't quite stick my fist in this guy, but oh my gosh, look at that fish. Just catching monsters today. Oh, I wish I had my scale. Let's get this fatty back in the water. Oh my gosh. One last look before we get it in. That is a big boy. I cannot complain about a day of fishing like this. This is amazing. There you go. And the way that jumped out of the water, awesome. Absolutely beautiful. What an incredible morning of fishing. I mean, I only caught those 5, but I mean, when you're catching fish that big, it doesn't really matter how many you catch. I probably could have went home after that first one. I was so stoked. That's probably the fattest bass I've ever caught in my life. I'm gonna go get some lunch, go home. Like I said, incredible morning of fishing. Can't wait to do it again. Until next time, see ya.